Welcome back. So this SOP is for eBay payments. So to start with, let's go, once you have logged in, go to account settings, and from here, click on business policies. And here you can see all the policies, not just a payment. You can see returns, you can see postage. And it will list all the current policies that we have and how many listing are been assigned to each policies over here. So we can either edit the current one, or if you want to create a new one, click on create and click payment. Okay. The idea behind is that we need to have different payment policies. So for example, if it's a big item, we can't ship it. So in that case, the buyer have to come to our warehouse, collect it, and either pay cash or make a card payment. So for different scenarios or for different listings, we need to have different methods of payments. So we can have policies, and we can, when you list the item, you just select the correct policies. Make sure that you name it correctly so we can understand. So we can say, okay, for always communicate with the client, okay, what we are trying to achieve. And regarding the policy, what you can do, you can create a policy on ChatGPT and send that to the client for review. And once once they're happy, once they have approved it, we can come over here and paste the policy over there. So we can see that there's only 248 characters. Okay. I'm just gonna give a prompt to. Just gonna give the command. There you go. We got it. So it's quite short. It will fit. So let's assume the client have approved it. Okay. So I'm just gonna paste. There's 0 characters. Everything. You can either set it as a default payment. That means if you are listing a new item, it will automatically be selected. This payment policy will be selected if you want to do that. And the payment managed by eBay. So if you want to enable it, most of the accounts are eBay payment managed, not PayPal anymore. So if you want to get the payment straight away, so if let's assume that if a buyer add an item to the basket and immediately it need the payment, in some case, if you don't take this one, the buyer can add that to the basket and your stock will be minus, and they can pay it later. That means they can put it as a reserve. We don't want that. If they want to buy it, they have to buy it straight away. We don't want that to be sitting there. And you can also select cash on pickup for this policy. For example, as we discussed before, if it's a big item. Once it's all good, what we can do, click on save, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Thank you.